When the temperature drops, our skin problems rise. So today we're debunking surprising winter beauty myths with cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Tabasum Mir. Thank you so much for being here.
It's great to be here.
So during the winter, what's the most common complaint your patients come to you with?
Everybody talks to me about the fact that their skin ages so fast once it gets colder because it's so dry and they don't know what to do to moisturize. So I've brought a lot of stuff that I use myself from my own medicine cabinet to talk to you about today.
Yes, because your skin is fabulous and I want to clone you. Yes.
Got it.
So the first myth, and you said you can try this at home, you already have this kind of stuff, so you don't have to drop a lot of money. Drinking lots of water is the best way to add moisture to your skin during the winter. Is this true?
It is false. Ooh. It is great to drink tons of water, but it will not add moisture to your skin because the air around you is so dry that it will suck the moisture out before you have time.
Wow.
So you want to do thicker moisturizers.
Okay.
For example, these creamy, balmy ones, as opposed to these really, really thin ones. You see how thin that is? That has a lot of water in it. It evaporates. Another tip, put oil on and then moisturize.
Well, what about breakouts? Would this cause somebody who has like oily skin, make them break out and make them look oily?
You don't want to use the same moisturizer on your face that you use on your body. This is specifically for your body. When you use stuff on your face, there are oils there that are non-comedogenic that you can use, but this is for hands, body, feet, legs.
Got it, got it. The thicker the better.
Thicker the better.
What about your lips? My lips get really chapped during the winter, especially in the corners. Does lip balm, any kind, just putting on a lot, does that help, do you think?
You need to put on the right kind of lip balm. Anything with menthol or eucalyptus is bad because you can get addicted to it.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so you want to use things like balmy, creamy, natural ingredients. And I have a really quick DIY lip scrub that's fantastic.
Ooh.
You use aspirin, you crush it up, use a little bit of sugar, and just pop that right in. And then a little tiny bit of whatever oil you have, like a little bit of vitamin E. That's it.
Where can you pick that up?
I bought this from Whole Foods.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Tiny little bit, stir it up, and then that creates like a paste. Do you see what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
And then you can take that, put that directly on your lips, and scrub, 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 and then use your lip balm. If you want the scrub thicker, use a little bit more vitamin E. If you want it more balmy, the cream will help a lot. So that's great. Sloughs it up, and then put your cream on over it. Put your balm on over it.
No alcohol, none of that stuff that's in the lip balm, right?
No, no menthol, no eucalyptus, because that can be addictive. Yeah.
I've been doing it all wrong this whole time. Let's talk eczema too, because I always end up with like the rosy cheeks, and it's not just from being out in the cold, it's just the, you know, dry skin.
You know, unless you have severe to moderate eczema, you don't really need a prescription. Pure, organic coconut oil, the kind that's solid at room temperature, you put it right on those plaques, and it can be as effective as a prescription. And it's amazing for those dry, flaky patches.
Rosy cheeks also, what is this for? You can also use this?
Well, you know what? Windburn, when you're outside, that causes rosy cheeks.
Skiing,
yes.
Right?
Windburn, even like walking around, is as bad as sunburn.
Really?
Yes. So that rosy cheek, that's not healthy. That's actually windburn, dry, chapped skin. So what you want to do is put on a nice protection, use the SPF, and if you do get the windburn, put in the aloe vera. Just treat it like a sunburn.
Aloe vera. Let's slide on down here too.
Sure.
I'm constantly washing my hands because I have a baby at home, but also just because of germs during the winter. It always dries and cracks, and especially the thumb area. How can we avoid this?
Well, people wash their hands frequently, which is good, but sometimes it can break down the skin and cause everything you're talking about. So the best thing to do is to get one of these cheap gloves I bought at a dollar store and use a thick, rich Vaseline type thing. Vaseline's great. This is Aquaphor, this is Abilene. They're all right next to each other in the drugstore. Thick layer, put the gloves on, sleep, and wake up with beautiful, silky hands.
Nice. And you have a lovely little hat here, and this is what I hate to wear in the winter, even though you need it because of staticky hair. How do you get rid of that too? Because I'm just helpless.
Everybody thinks that wearing a hat will make your hair staticky. Spray a little bit on the inside with a hairspray, put your hat on, and tuck your hair into your coat, because leaving your hair outside your coat actually dries it and frizzes it up and causes static.
So put the hair in the
coat. Tuck it in.
You've got some good tricks.
I'm glad I helped.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here.
You got it.